I already started to cook Isomalt this morning, and you know, instead of cooking now, I cook it to 350 Fahrenheit, which is you bring to boil the Isomalt.
It will be Isomalt. Isomalt is no joke, it's dangerous in this amount of volume here. It's like hot lava, and you have to use special pitchers that don't melt because you can really take a burn. It looks like a dragonfly from the mini bug collection. A showpiece doesn't have to be too much. Welcome back to Shapeshifters. We are reactivating our Chicago Culinary FX channel, which is the food shaping business that I own. And as we upload videos about that, I'm going to always put in a short little video on the Shapeshifters site that talks about that video real quick. It's only meant to be a teaser to start directing some of our traffic that's interested in food shaping over to Chicago Culinary FX. Every week you'll see a little pop-up about food shaping. They're fun videos, right?
Oh yeah.
And then you'll get the Hand-ufacturing, the Pro Mold Maker Reacts, and whatever else we sprinkle in there. So
I have to find something that's compact, easy to work with, easy to clean. One showstopper, one mold could fit on one sheet pan, and I can use it very fast and do the 10 showpieces in one day. You know, I love to do showpieces, but still, I say I have to find an idea to save time.